So today I'm going to learn you something about the metric relations. Metric relations, in het Nederlands metrische betrekkingen. Metric relations are all the different relationships between the elements we already learned in these right-angled triangles. So in these right-angled triangles, I'm going to repeat one more time. This is the right angle. This is the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle, and these two are the two right-angled sides. This is the altitude or the height. These two pieces, B accent and C accent, are both the perpendicular projections of the two right-angle sides. Now the first metric relation is, in a right-angled triangle, is the product of the right-angle sides equal to the product of the hypotenuse and the height on this hypotenuse. So, if I would take a look at that in symbols, the product of the right-angle sides, that's AC times AB, is equal to BC times AD. BC is the hypotenuse and AD is the height. Here you can see it in small letters. Well, first we're going to write everything which is given. So we know that we work in a right-angled triangle. Triangle ABC. And we know that A equals 90 degrees. What are we going to prove? Well, then we're going to copy this. We're going to prove that AB times AC, so the product of the right-angle sides, is equal to the product of the hypotenuse and the height. Now to do so, we are going to use the formula for the area of a triangle. And the area of a triangle, I hope that you remember, is base. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Well, since this is base times height divided by 2, we can write this formula twice, because if you take a close look at the picture, you could take AB as base, and then the corresponding altitude would be AC. So if I would write my exercise, then I would get AB times height AC divided by 2. Now I can do the same thing for BC. BC, you could take BC as base as well, and the height on that base is AD in this case. So BC times AD divided by 2. Because, of course, both are the same area of triangle ABC, I can equalize them. Ik kan die gelijk stellen aan elkaar. AB times AC divided by 2. BC times AD divided by 2 as well. Now, if both sides of the equation are divided by 2, you can simply leave that out. Als beide leden door 2 gedeeld worden, mag je dat inderdaad dus ook weglaten. And then I already have my final result. AB times AC equals BC times AD.